In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove ticket in Jira. If you need to clean up an old issue, get rid of a duplicate, or remove a ticket that was created by mistake, Jira gives you a way to do that as long as you have the right permissions. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to remove a ticket in a simple and safe way, so you can keep your project organized without accidentally deleting the wrong item. To begin, open Jira and sign into your account. Once you're in, go to the project where the ticket is located. If you already know the issue key or can see the ticket in your recent activity, you can open it directly. Otherwise, use the project view, backlog, board, or issue list to locate the specific ticket you want to remove. After opening the ticket, take a moment to confirm that it's the correct one. This is important because removing a ticket is usually permanent, depending on your Jira setup and admin settings. Check the summary, issue type, status, and any linked work so you don't delete something that your team still needs. If the issue contains useful history, comments, or attachments, it may be better to close it instead of removing it entirely. Once you're sure, look for the More Actions menu on the ticket page. In most Jira layouts, this appears as a three-dot menu near the top right area of the issue. Click that menu to open the list of available actions. From there, find the delete option. In some workspaces, the wording may vary slightly, but it will usually be clearly related to removing or deleting the issue. When you select the delete option, Jira will typically display a confirmation prompt. Read that message carefully before continuing. This step exists to help prevent accidental removal. If you're absolutely certain, confirm the deletion. After that, the ticket will be removed from the project. If you don't see the delete option, that usually means you don't have permission to remove tickets in that project. In that case, you'll need to contact your Jira administrator or a project admin and ask them to either delete the ticket for you or update your permissions if appropriate. And that's it. That's how to remove a ticket in Jira. Just remember to double check the issue before confirming, because deleting is much more final than simply resolving or closing a ticket. If you want to keep your Jira workspace clean and accurate, using the correct option at the right time makes a big difference.